Welcome back to City Foodie Farm. Today we are going to be making curried potatoes with sauteed zucchini and broccoli rabe. This dish has amazing flavors. There's cumin, cayenne pepper, turmeric, and curry powder. And we also use some Thai basil from the garden. First, you'll want to gather all of your ingredients. You will need about 4 potatoes sliced. You can leave the skins on. 2 zucchinis. And 1 onion sliced. And then a chunk of ginger thinly sliced. You will need a couple handfuls of broccoli rabe. And if you're using it from the garden, you can even use the stuff that has bolted in this recipe. Just make sure you wash it and remove any woody stems. And you will also need 3 cloves of garlic minced. And back to these amazing flavors of this dish. You will need half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of cumin, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Some salt and pepper, and that's it. Now grab your saute pan and add 2 to 3 spoonfuls of coconut oil. Once your oil is melted, you can start adding your potatoes. You'll want to cook them on medium heat until brown. And then once you start to notice some color, you will want to turn it down to low heat. We are starting with the potatoes first to make them nice and crispy, and we'll be adding some seasoning to them. And look at that color. Now grab your seasoning and sprinkle them over your potatoes. Now it's time to add in your sliced ginger and your onions and garlic. And now add in your sliced zucchini. And lastly, add in your broccoli rabe. And that's it. Now you just need your broccoli rabe to wilt down and cook a little bit. So mix it around and leave it on low heat and put a lid on it for a couple more minutes. And lastly, sprinkle in some Thai basil. And now you can taste this delicious meal. Curried potatoes with sauteed zucchini and broccoli rabe. If you're growing a garden, you might have most of the ingredients already. I hope you enjoyed this easy, healthy recipe. Please subscribe to our channel And give us a thumbs up if you liked this video. And until next time, happy cooking.